our furnace access panel, and at first I realized that there's a little sensor light that was blinking continuously green. Now it's functioning just fine. I tried looking for a couple of videos on YouTube and online for a quick troubleshooting, and I went through the manual and couldn't find it. Eventually one of my close friends came by and showed me this switch right in there, which, trying to get it focused, that one right there, that little red switch between those two cables right there with the QR code. Well, that is a high temperature switch and it had popped. So I just went in there and I pressed it to reset it, and the light went solid green.